Have you ever pondered the possibility of reversing death? An unfathomable concept, isn't it? Yet it was this very conundrum that intrigued a man named Dr. Stephen Gallen, sparking a journey that would forever alter our understanding of life and death. Before we continue, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Picture this. The year is 1994. The scientific community is abuzz with advancements and discoveries. Amidst this whirlwind of innovation, Dr. Gallen, a distinguished figure in the realm of science, dares to explore an area uncharted. His audacious question, can death be reversed? Gallen wasn't just any scientist, his reputation preceded him. Known for his relentless pursuit of knowledge and his refusal to bow down to conventional wisdom, he was a true maverick. He had a knack for delving into the enigmatic, the unfathomable, and the unexplored. His audacity was not without merit. Gallen's contributions to science were momentous, his theories revolutionary, his experiments groundbreaking. But the idea of reversing death? That was uncharted territory even for him. Undeterred, Gallen assembled a team of brilliant minds, the crème de la crème of the scientific world. Together, they embarked on a mission that would push the boundaries of science, a mission that would challenge the very laws of nature. Their goal was as audacious as it was unprecedented: to create an antidote to death. The enormity of their task was not lost on them. They were attempting to reverse the irreversible, to defy the inevitable, to conquer the unconquerable. But they were undaunted. For them, every obstacle was an opportunity, every failure a stepping stone to success. Their endeavor was met with skepticism. Critics dismissed it as a fool's errand, a wild goose chase. But Gallen and his team remained resolute. They believed in their mission, in the potential of their research, and in the tantalizing possibility of success. But what if I told you that the concept of reversing death is not as far-fetched as it seems? In 1994, Dr. Stephen Gallen embarked on a scientific expedition that sought to challenge the ultimate boundary: death. This was not a journey taken lightly, nor was it a flight of fancy. It was a calculated, deliberate pursuit born out of a profound desire to unlock the mysteries of existence and to push the boundaries of what we perceive as possible. Dr. Gallen, a renowned scientist, was not content with merely observing the dance of life and death from the sidelines. He yearned to understand, to dissect, and to conquer. His quest was not spurred by a personal loss or a fear of mortality, but rather a boundless curiosity and a burning passion for the potential of human ingenuity. To bring his audacious vision to life, he assembled a team of the brightest minds, a veritable dream team of experts in biology, chemistry, and medicine. These were individuals who weren't afraid to question the status quo, to step into the unknown, and to dream of a world where death could be reversed. The initial stages of their work were fraught with challenges. The team faced countless late nights, dead ends, and moments of doubt. But they pressed on, fueled by the belief that every failure, every setback was a step closer to the breakthrough they sought. Their research was not just about reversing death. It was about understanding life at its most fundamental level. They delved into the intricacies of cellular function, the complex dance of proteins and enzymes, the delicate balance that keeps us alive. It was like trying to decipher a language that had never been written down, a symphony that had never been heard. They explored the uncharted territory of death, not as an end, but as a process, a series of events that could theoretically be halted and even reversed. They sought to comprehend the incomprehensible, to make sense of the senseless, and to find hope in the face of the inevitable. Little did they know, they were about to stumble upon something extraordinary. This was the dawn of an unprecedented journey, a journey that would change their lives and the world forever. The stage was set, the players were ready, and the curtain was about to rise on a spectacle unlike any other. After tireless efforts and countless failures, Dr. Gallen and his team made a discovery that would shock the world. Picture this. A group of scientists, hunched over their workstations, their faces illuminated by the glow of computer screens, their eyes filled with both exhaustion and hope. They had been on a quest that seemed almost mythical, to reverse death. It had been a journey filled with ups and downs, a roller coaster ride of emotion and intellect. Many had called it madness, an impossible dream, but Dr. Stephen Gallen, a man of indomitable spirit and unyielding determination, had never lost faith. He had assembled a team of brilliant minds, and together, they had pushed the boundaries of what was scientifically possible. Now, imagine the moment of discovery. A hushed silence as the data streamed in, the air heavy with anticipation. The numbers aligned, the calculations were correct. The antidote, a complex concoction of biochemical agents, seemed to be working. It was a breakthrough that defied everything we knew about life and death. The excitement that followed was palpable. The lab was abuzz with chatter, a cacophony of voices echoing off the sterile walls. There were cheers of joy, tears of relief, and an overwhelming sense of disbelief. They had done it. They had found the antidote. But with the thrill of success came a wave of questions. Was this real? Could they actually reverse death? The implications were staggering. In the days that followed, the team worked tirelessly to validate their findings. They repeated their experiments, analyzed their data, and scrutinized every detail. They knew the world would demand evidence, and they were prepared to provide it. This was no ordinary discovery. It was a monumental leap in our understanding of life and death. It was a testament to the power of science, to the resilience of the human spirit, and to the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It was a beacon of hope, shining brightly in the darkness of uncertainty. They had achieved the impossible. They had found a way to reverse death. But a discovery is just a theory until it is put to the test. Can you imagine the excitement, the trepidation, the heart-racing anticipation as Dr. Stephen Gallen and his team prepared to test their groundbreaking antidote? The tension in the air was as thick as a fog, the silence as deep as a moonless night. They were about to step into the unknown, to challenge the very laws of nature, to dare to reverse death itself. It was a moment that would forever be etched in the annals of scientific history. The first tests were conducted in controlled environments on cells that had been declared biologically dead. The team watched with bated breath as they introduced the antidote. And then, a miracle. The once lifeless cells began to show signs of life. They were reversing death, one cell at a time. The team could hardly believe their eyes. The antidote was working, but the real test was yet to come. The team moved on to larger, more complex organisms. Again, they watched in awe as the antidote breathed life back into what was once lifeless. The results were beyond their wildest dreams. The antidote was not just reviving cells, it was reviving hope, faith, and the belief in the impossible. The reactions of the researchers were a mix of shock, disbelief, and overwhelming joy. They had done it. They had taken the first steps towards conquering death, but they also knew that the journey was far from over. These were only the initial tests. There was still a long road ahead. Yet they had proven that their discovery was not just a theory. It was not just a dream or a flight of fancy. It was real. It was tangible. It was a glimmer of hope in the face of the inevitable. A beacon of light in the darkness of death. The antidote was not just a theory anymore. It was a reality. A reality that could change the world as we know it. A reality that held the promise of a future where death could be reversed. Where the end was just another beginning. The discovery of the antidote has opened up a world of endless possibilities. The antidote, a breakthrough that has defied the immutable law of life and death, holds the potential to revolutionize the face of medical science. Imagine a world where the finality of death is no longer a certainty. A world where the sorrow of loss is replaced by the joy of reunion. This is the potential future that Dr. Stephen Gallen and his team have unlocked for us with their unprecedented research. But with such great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of reversing death are as profound as the scientific breakthrough itself. Questions about overpopulation, resource allocation, and the sanctity of life will need to be addressed. Will we become a society that cherishes life more because we can extend it, or will we become one that values life less because we can manipulate it? This antidote doesn't just hold the power to resurrect the dead, it holds the power to resurrect a myriad of complex philosophical and ethical debates. This discovery could force us to reevaluate our understanding of life, death, and everything in between. Beyond ethical considerations, the antidote also presents exciting prospects for medical science. It could unlock new cures and treatments, expanding our knowledge about the human body and its incredible resilience. This antidote could be the key to understanding and treating conditions that have baffled the medical community for years. The future of this antidote is a landscape filled with uncharted territories and exciting possibilities. It has the potential to redefine our existence, to challenge our perceptions, and to transform our world in ways we can't even begin to fathom. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one can only wonder, what does the future hold for us? This antidote, this marvel of science, has given us a glimpse into a future where the impossible is possible, where death may no longer be the end, but a new beginning. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one can only wonder, what does the future hold for us? If you can reverse death, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.